Not every phone needs to break records. Some just need to work reliably, smoothly, and without making your wallet cry. That's exactly where the Huawei Nova Y72s steps in. It won't win speed tests, but it offers a massive battery, solid camera, and clean look at a price that makes sense for everyday users. Let's look at what it gets right and where it holds back. You open the box and the first thing you notice, this phone is solid. Not flashy, not shiny, just practical. The matte finish feels good in the hand, and the weight, 207 grams, gives it a sense of durability. It's not slippery, not a fingerprint magnet. It just feels right. Turn it on, and you get a 6.75-inch display. It's not razor sharp, but you won't complain while scrolling TikTok or watching Reels. The 90 Hz refresh rate keeps things smooth. You won't get OLED-level contrast, but for the price, this screen holds its own. Now let's talk about everyday use. Powered by Snapdragon 680 paired with 8GB RAM, this phone isn't built for gamers, but for calls, messaging, Netflix, and Instagram. It's fast enough. It won't lag unless you push it too hard. And let's be real, most people just want something reliable. The camera, a 50-megapixel main lens that doesn't try to be anything it's not. In good lighting, shots are crisp, the colors are close to natural, and the focus is fairly quick. The 2-megapixel macro is just there, don't expect too much. But hey, for a casual user, this setup won't disappoint. Selfies are handled by an 8-megapixel front camera. It's fine for video calls and some filtered shots. Don't expect pro-level portraits, but your social media won't suffer either. Battery life. Now this is where things get serious. A massive 6,000 milliamp-hour battery means you'll easily get 2 days on a single charge. Even with heavy use, this phone just refuses to die early. It charges at 22.5 watts. Not lightning fast, but fair enough considering the size. Now, here's the one thing you need to think about. There's no Google Play services. That means no Gmail app, no YouTube app, no Play Store. Instead, you get Huawei's app gallery. It works, but it's different. You'll have to sideload a few apps or use web versions. If you're already in the Huawei ecosystem, it won't be a problem. But if you rely on Google heavily, this might be a deal breaker. There's no SD card slot either, but with 128GB or 256GB storage options, most users won't even notice. And no, there's no headphone jack. It's all wireless here. Performance isn't what makes this phone special. It's the combination of solid battery life, simple design, and decent cameras packed into a price tag under €250. It's not meant to impress on paper. It's meant to last. If you're someone who needs a phone that just works, without fancy tricks, without fragile designs, this is a solid choice. No drama, no hype, just a phone that shows up every day and gets the job done. As someone once said, a good phone isn't the one with the loudest specs, it's the one that never lets you down. And that's what the Nova Y72s tries to be.